Hey guys, Beast here, and yes, as the title says, we're going to be talking about a subject that is not so easy to talk about. What happens when you have to go to the bathroom and you're not near your home? Now, this covers both of these guys. This is the Potty Pack and the kit. Family-friendly terms only on this video, but we call it mountain money out on Wildland Fire. You know, toilet paper is a necessity. What's the easiest way you can carry it? I used to carry a little bit of the MRE toilet paper, and if anybody's used that, you know it's very thin, very compact, but it also doesn't go a whole lot, and you don't get a lot with it. These kits are designed everything from the urban environment to the middle of nowhere, and let's just break this out on the tabletop and talk about it. Hey guys, well in front of you are the two small packs. These are the main differences because of the sort of urban environment and the middle of the woods. As I said, I've carried this in my tank bag. I've only had to use it for emergencies, but now that I'm a family man, those emergencies happen more often. And it's nice to have. We generally have toilet paper and we have supplies with us when we go camping. But it's those trips you didn't plan on it, or if you arrive to a public restroom that doesn't quite have all the facilities that you expected it to. Let's just dive right in. These are pre-perforated here at the bottom. So if I start from the bottom here, we can just pull out the urban kit. Alright, so easy to tear at the bottom. The Potty Pack, as I said, a little bit more urban oriented, and the reason for that is you've got some small squares of toilet paper, you have hand sanitizer, you have a moist towelette, and then you actually have tush wipes, which is nice. It does help. I use that in Wildland Fire in conjunction with toilet paper. It seems to use a lot less toilet paper and you get a little bit cleaner. And then the biggest difference is you're going to have a toilet seat cover. And I'm sure you guys have all seen those. Probably don't need to tear this up. It's just very thin tissue paper that will go over the seat if you're worried, especially with the ladies. The hover technique is cute, but it's not always for everybody. The toilet paper I feel is adequate. It's just a single kind of roll, and you can double it up. It seems to be enough, especially with conjunction with the wipes. The wipes are actually quite nice. They're pretty strong. I won't take this one out because I'll continue to use this kit. Moist towelette I think is a little bit overkill, but it does help get the hands scrubbed if you have any sort of cleanliness that just hand sanitizing doesn't take care of. Let's just jump into the woods pack. Alright, the kit for the woods. Like I said, the biggest difference is you're going to have a bag that comes with this instead of having a toilet seat that you won't find in the middle of nowhere. Same sort of pre-cut corner here at the end. Let me just pull this out. We'll talk about it. Alright, identical stuff. Same amount of toilet paper, same tush wipes, hand sanitizer. The difference being is you're basically getting like a dog bag. And this is something that you can use to bury it. You can use it to carry it out. Whatever your situation requires of you to do, whether you're in a wilderness area or not. As I said, these are an amazing little kit for preparedness, but as well as just being a family man who wants to easily throw this kit in there. I don't need to roll the toilet paper in a Ziploc bag. It's a really neat way to kind of cover your bases to keep everyone happy. Hey guys, that kind of concludes this product review. Again, I've had these a little over 2 years, and you will find them everywhere. They are in my motorcycle tank bag for Wildland Fire out in the woods. You'll see that I carry those just in case we run out. It's super lightweight. It doesn't take up any room, so if I'm not near a vehicle or I'm out in the middle of nowhere, if you think about it, I get paid to do my business in the woods. I spend a lot of time of the year outdoors, and so I'm not a stranger to using the outdoor restroom. Dig a hole kind of a situation, but there's definitely places and wildernesses where you need to carry it out as well. Certainly when I work in Antarctica, we don't leave anything behind. So depending on where you're at and what you prefer personally to do, these kits have you covered. Now for in the urban areas, even using gentle restrooms, you're going to find that they're not always prepared. So it is pretty quick and easy. It's definitely a little bit cheaper to buy the bulk pack. I'll put links down below. Take some on your next adventure. This has been Wandering Beast with Potty Packs, and we'll see you down the road.
Thanks for all the love and support. You guys are amazing. Please like, share, and subscribe. Follow the adventure on social media, and we'll see you on the road.